My name is Reem Khatib. I am the CEO here at Tax Law Advocates. I've been with the company over 13 years. My passion is to provide education and relief for taxpayers. My background is in business, my degree is in business, and my family have always been serial business owners and entrepreneurs. And nothing seemed to scare them quite like the IRS. And what I found was the lack of knowledge taxpayers had of their rights was really what brought on that fear. My goal is to make sure business owners and regular individuals alike have the education necessary to know that there are options and solutions if they find themselves in trouble with the IRS. Two of the most common misunderstandings are ironically opposite of one another. The first misunderstanding is that people tend to think IRS tax relief doesn't really exist, that it's impossible to get relief on what they owe. The second is everyone qualifies for relief. There isn't a magic wand that we can wave to provide immediate IRS tax relief. Clients are required to meet various standards and be willing to comply with various requirements to ensure successful tax relief. We prioritize understanding the why behind every case. By identifying the root cause of your tax challenges, our team delivers customized solutions tailored to your unique circumstances. Beyond resolving the immediate issue, we empower clients with the education necessary to ensure long-term financial stability. Education is essential. Understanding why one has found themselves in such a predicament is crucial to ensuring one doesn't repeat the same behavior. Someone pulls money out of their retirement account and they took taxes out. Why did they owe? Someone owns a business and doesn't think they made any profit. Why did they owe so much? An employee had the maximum taken out of their paycheck. Why did they owe? These are just few of the very frequent scenarios and questions we are confronted with daily. Knowing the answer to these questions and one's unique tax dilemma could be the difference between paying thousands and saving thousands. Regaining control over one's tax issue begins with understanding it. Anytime we're able to remove fear from our client's life and replace that with safety, it confirms I'm doing what I'm meant to be doing. Every day, clients are worried about their paycheck, about their homes, about their livelihoods, and being able to relieve our clients, not with false promises, not with false security, but with real relief, reinforces why it matters. One example that comes to mind is when we had a client that operated a business that employed nearly half of the small town where she lived. The IRS threatened to shut down her business because she couldn't seem to juggle compliance, payroll tax deposits, and maintaining profitability. After nearly 10 months of advocacy, negotiation, and analysis, we were able to prevent the IRS from shutting down her business and give her the tools she needed to maintain compliance and profitability. In simple terms, it's a set of programs that exist to help taxpayers resolve tax debt with the IRS. These programs can range from total elimination of debt to reduction of penalty and interest or affordable payment plans that prevent negative credit reporting.